Thank you, Mike. Now we want to bring in Avajoy Burnett. She has much more on the inflammatory syndrome linked to the 15-year-old's death and its impact on other children. Avajoy?
Well, Denise, this inflammatory syndrome is connected to COVID-19. It first emerged abroad and then in New York State, and it appears to be attacking children, as you mentioned. Dariana Dyson is one of those rare, deadly cases. 15-year-old Dariana Dyson loved life, and that's how her family wants for her to be remembered. The teen's death is linked to COVID-19, and after an autopsy, state health officials revealed signs of the rare Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome, which appears to be affecting children.
Every day we are learning something new about COVID-19.
Doctors like MedStar's Carrie Best have been watching since it emerged overseas, then in New York State.
We thought that COVID-19 wasn't affecting the pediatric population very much, but now that we see pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome coming up, we are seeing that this is actually affecting the pediatric population.
You can now add Maryland to the list of states that have reported these pediatric cases. Symptoms include fever, rash, abdominal pain, even vomiting, but that list could be even longer.
These children look very ill.
Pediatrician Rachel Plotnick stresses parents will know when something is extremely wrong.
If your child's lips are turning blue, they're having trouble breathing, which they are reporting in some children having this because it can affect the heart muscle. So they're going into signs of heart failure, so having trouble breathing. And if a parent notices that, then they should call 911.
The Department of Health believes there may be a few other cases of multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children here in the state, but Dariana is the first reported case of a child passing away in Maryland. And Dariana's family took her to the hospital. Doctors are saying you should do the same thing if you suspect something is off. Live at 5, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.